Hi, Felicia. Hey, off the fucking trailer. This bitch is a one bad motherfucker.
Where'd she go?
I don't know. But I'll tell you one thing, though. She was rolling.
Hey, that fish looked good, dude.
Hey, he was like, wait a minute. I can't be this close. And then I just saw him come towards my fucking door, dude. I was like, ah! It was like, whoop, get the fuck away. I was like, oh, my door. Boom, I'm out. Later. I was like, if you're not in front of me by now, it's over.
That right wing's sketchy.
Is it?
Yeah. Just dancing.
Where was he when it went sideways? How close was he to you?
I don't know, dude. I saw him like right here. I saw him close.
You heard him.
I heard him, and then I heard, rack, and I was like, and I just hear my truck go.
Yeah, when he hit left, we were like, he's done, gone.
Yeah.
Because she's tracking on through there, but.
Hey, that tune up all day long, homie. A 10 spoiler from last night.
Nice job.
When I run a fucking car like yours, like, ah, so fucking loud, man. That's good. Oh man, that was good. I'll tell you one, it's been some races though. They know what to say. All right, man.
We're going to have it wrapped up. We've left you, David,
Brent. Or not Brent.
Kyle Buckmaster, David Gates, me, and I think that red Firebird, and I don't know who else.
No, David just beat the Firebird.
Okay, yeah. Oh, the white Mustang.
Yeah.
The white Mustang. That's the only sitting one, I think.
Bill's still in it.
Who? Oh yeah, Wild Bill. There you go.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, but he hit the wall. He already down. I don't know if that hurt.
Fucking lucky he said that was some driving right there. Here, man. Fuck. Look, and they're not burning up this time.
Hold on, I haven't pulled the.
Bubba.
There's no heat.
Huh?
I bet it's got. I bet it's got after.
I guarantee you, David Gates was standing behind there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guarantee he was like,
Guarantee you his jaw dropped.
he was like, fuck me.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna steer the truck. It's cold.
Hey, it took it again.
Be rolling.
Okay, now we turn it down.
Oh, he usually shoots, Jay.
Huh? Well, I kind of figured maybe the laundry should have been thrown on that one.
Now you gotta pack them.
Hey.
Haven't had a pack shirts all day.
Oh, what's it?
You can't see.
Holy fuck, bro. What's it?
Holy shit.
What? Dude,
Ah, damn.
that bitch is rolling. Can't see what's it.
Here, touch it. Click it. Just click it. There.
Nice. Nice.
Hey. You see the wild hour? Hey, you see the wild hour?
She rolling. She back.
She back, and she's
back.
pissed. She said, "Not in this motherfucking house."
Damn,
Let's
dude.
get her back.
And then-
and the door stayed on.
And the door's on. You can-
Hey, get over there. Oh shit.
Hang on, wait. I want you to go over on that grass. The grass over right here. The pond over there. All right, coming up next, we got small tire finals. Small tire finals coming up next. Battle of the pickup trucks.
right there.
Good.
job, man.
Yeah.
Shit. He willing a little bit. He went to the front.
Well,
Get her back.
that was, I don't know how many fucking passes we've made already.
Good job, bud.
5?
5
Today?
today.
1, 2, 3, 5, 4,
Yep.
6.
6.
6 passes,
think
all
that's-
consistent.
Nice job, buddy.
Chopping away at it every time.
And what did she do? Go rounds and no problem. Thank you, baby. You got it?
Be cooler if you had long hair.
Hey, I'm out. I have no battery. You're gonna have to do it, or you do it with your phone, Jeff.